Welcome back to my channel for another haul. This one is all about the hygge, the cozy, the texture, the nature, all of it. So I'm going to share with you guys some of my spring hygge decor faves. Go and grab you some coffee and let's get into it. P.S. You're going to want to just go ahead and subscribe because why not? First thing I got was a small artificial basil leaf wreath. It does a great job of adding that greenery and really announcing spring. Next thing I got was another set of faux tulips, also from Amazon. The next two items are from the same brand, Macrame, and I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So I got a wall mirror with macrame hanger to hang on our bedroom door and a macrame banner for the fireplace. Macrame is a great textural element that can really make a statement while still being soft and cozy, making it perfect for hygge. This is why I especially pulled towards these two pieces. It was essentially the epitome of hygge in the spring. My fireplace has been naked since the holidays, which really bothered me, so I knew I wanted and or needed something to adorn it just a little bit without overpowering it since it's already a very tech-heavy mantle. I also knew I wanted something on a bedroom door, but something that was significant but also delicate at the same time. Also from Amazon, I got a trio of self-watering pots for creating a small herb garden on our balcony. And growing our own herbs is as close as we're gonna get to having farm-to-table cooking. Next, I got from Jocelyn, Maine, two new pictures. The first one adds a real spring hygge element to the decor because it's adorned with leaves. It has a gold rim that's the subtle hint of glam, so it really complements that spring tropical aesthetic. The second picture is a simple glass pitcher that just has a classic silhouette. Also for the kitchen, I got a set of glass bowls. And this was both pragmatic as well as aesthetic. Lastly, from Jocelyn, Maine, I got some new coasters that I am living for. And it caught my attention because of its combination of wood and marble. So this marriage of natural elements immediately spoke hygge to me, so they were a must buy. While on an impromptu trip at Target, I also picked up a few pieces there. The first thing I got was this gold dip vase from the clearance area. It was super cute. I knew it would be perfect for my new tulips. Also from the clearance area, I got a small glass jar with a gold lid. It was available in two sizes, both of them clearance, but I only got the smaller one because as soon as I saw it, I immediately knew I had a purpose for it. My letterboard letters, they needed a new home since they outgrew the bowl that they were in, and I knew this jar would be perfect for that. Lastly, from Target, I got a new shower curtain. I'd been wanting a white shower curtain for a while, and as soon as I saw this one, I knew it was the one. I love how it's just textured and bright white, making it the perfect final touch to my bathroom refresh. So often we're conditioned to think that hygge is synonymous with winter, but that's really not the case. Yes, there is an obvious correlation, but I wanted to make sure that my hygge living transcended the seasons, and in addition to actual lifestyle hacks, purposeful decor was a part of that transition for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and got some decorating inspiration for the season. And if you enjoyed this haul, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed just hanging out with me, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!